Morning sunlight fills the kitchen. Coffee is steaming on the counter.
I like this cereal. I will organize my jewelry.
I like quiet mornings.
The news is calm today.
I put the receipts in this folder. I label it carefully. This is important. Yes, it is.
I am proud of you.
You did a good job.
I will pack this box.
The jewelry is wrapped neatly. Her phone is open to messages. Friends send kind texts.
I need to think. I close the app. I put the box away.
The family eats breakfast together. Laughter fills the room.
This sausage is a hero. That is funny.
You are silly.
Smile for the photo.
The family takes a picture. The dishes are washed.
It is a nice day. I feel calm. I plan my future.
A notebook says future ideas. A jewelry sketch is inside.
My homework is hard.
I will fold the laundry.
This shelf needs fixing.
I can help you. I place it here. Very important.
Everyone laughs together. The afternoon light changes.
I look at travel photos.
The airport photo appears.
I remember that day. I close the phone.
The family sets up a board game.
I lost again.
I win this time.
You did great, Jack.
My turn.
Evening comes slowly. Dinner is cooking. The smell feels warm.
Why are rules important?
They keep us safe.
I understand now.
I agree.
The family sits together. The home feels warm.
I write in my journal.
The words say, be honest.
What are you writing? You can read it. I will remember.
This makes me happy.
I feel proud.
Night comes softly. The lights grow dim. The family sits on the couch. The TV glows quietly.
I am sleepy. I rest here.
I cover you.
I turn off the TV.
The house is quiet.
I did the right thing. Smile softly.
The bedroom lights turn off. Moonlight shines through the window. The city is calm.
I sleep peacefully. Good night.
The parents stand in the doorway. They share a quiet look. The lights turn off. The night is silent. The home is safe. A new day will come